Tonight, Mashhad feels different. I saw something I didn't expect at all. Let's see what's really happening. If you're curious about what real Iranian streets look like at night, subscribe now. I walk these streets every week. It's Friday night in Mashhad, and it's busier than I expected. Families, groups of friends, you can really feel the city's energy. Look over there. Do you see that style? You don't see outfits like that here every night. Small details like this make an ordinary night feel different. What's interesting about night walks is that people feel more relaxed, less formal, more natural. It's like the night gives a sense of freedom. There's a small crowd forming ahead. Let's see what's going on. This is what makes night walks exciting. Nothing is planned. You just walk, and something unexpected happens. Mashhad at night has two faces, calm and crowded, traditional, yet surprisingly modern. That contrast is what makes it interesting. Remember I said tonight feels different? It's these small details that change the whole atmosphere. When you really observe, every night has its own story. No night is ever completely ordinary. If you enjoyed this night walk, like the video and tell me in the comments where I should walk next.